Back at it again, Cordell Davenport, Cali Vacation Home, showcasing Airbnb properties from Superhost that are 4 bedrooms minimum. And the goal is just to show what's out there. And the main thing that I said in my introductory video, is that I'm a proponent of creating memories with your family. Do the best you can to plan that. And vacation homes are way better than trying to rent out a hotel or anything like that. So it can be very intimate. And right now we're going to look at this property in Bodega Bay, which is in Sonoma County. It's right on the water of the Bay Area. I'll scroll down real quick and show you where it's located. And with these videos that I show, I also have a link within the description so you can just copy and paste. So if you like what you see, just copy and paste it. It's gonna go right to the host webpage on Airbnb and book it. And just say, hey, Cali Vacation Homes promoted you for free. Free 99. So, all right, I'm getting out of hand. So here it is. Here's San Francisco. It's way up here, Sonoma County. So let's look at some of the details. 12 guests, 4 beds, 6 beds. 4 bedrooms, 6 beds, 2.5 baths. Price fluctuates, of course. So it's $850 a night. All right, so for 2 nights, this is what you're looking to spend as of today, which is January 5th, 2023. Look at the photos, y'all. Let's get it. All right, we have 46 photos to look at. This is a sea town, just FYI, Bodega Bay. I love clam chowder. They have one of the best clam chowders over here. All right, so let's see what we got. Nice skylight. All right. Nice wood. Let's see. I'm seeing if something really stands out to me. That's different. The lights, king bed and lower master. Just wish there was, every single picture should have some type of caption. Keep saying that, but a lot of people don't do it. All right, half bathroom. Nice and clean. The main thing about Airbnbs, it has to be spotless. Spotless. Master in-suite bathroom balcony. My chair does not look, well, it wouldn't be comfortable for me. I'm a big dude, but I can, yeah. I need some more cushion. All right. That's a unique bathtub, kind of old school. Games for entertainment for the fam bam. Day bed, TV room. All right, tight. How it pulls out. I think that's a wise choice for every Airbnb to have that. There's a lot of levels to this place. All right, here's your tub, hot tub, sunroom. I wonder where this view is from, though. It's Clear Beach. Oh, and here's the floor plan. Huh? Okay. Let's back up a little bit. Outdoor bathroom. Okay. Well, That was it, y'all. Be on the lookout for the other ones I'm going to showcase. That's it. CaliVacationHomes.com. Check me out. Adios.